Shop smarter with BrainyBuyer.com and support smarter by subscribing. Your click means more unbiased tests, clearer charts, and fewer decision headaches. Okay, so we're looking at two Weber grills, huh? The Q2800N Plus and the Summit S-670. Pretty different beasts, right?
Definitely. The Q2800N Plus is clearly aiming for portability. It's only about 30 pounds, while the Summit S-670. Well, it's a hefty 125 grams, so that's more of a stay-at-home grill.
Yeah, portability is a big deal for me. But what about cooking space? I sometimes grill for a larger group.
Huge difference there. The Q2800N Plus has around 320 square inches, enough for maybe 12 burgers. The Summit S-670 boasts a whopping 769 square inches. You could probably cook for a small army on that thing, and it has warming rack.
Wow, okay, that's significant. What about burners and temperature control?
The Q2800N Plus has a dual burner and a wide temperature range, 250 degrees to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, which is great for searing. It also has a plus burner for extra heat. The Summit S-670, though, is a powerhouse with 6 main burners cranking out 60,800 BTUs, plus a side burner, sear station burner, and even a rotisserie burner. It's got all the bells and whistles.
A rotisserie burner? Fancy. But all those burners probably mean it uses a lot more propane.
Probably, yeah. The Q2800N Plus is simpler in that respect. Also, it seems like the Q2800N Plus has Weber Connect Smart Hub integration, which is cool for monitoring temps remotely.
Oh, interesting. And what about the actual build quality? Weber's usually pretty good, but is there a difference?
Both are Weber, so quality's probably decent. The Q2800N Plus uses aluminum and porcelain enameled cast iron, whereas the Summit S-670 goes all in on stainless steel. That suggests the Summit is built to last even longer, but the Q still has superior heat retention.
Okay, so portability versus a full-blown outdoor kitchen. I guess it comes down to price and what I really need. The Q is around $400, right?
Yeah, the Q2800N Plus is listed at $399. The Summit S-670 is a much bigger investment at nearly $3,000. That's a significant jump.
Yikes! Okay, that makes my decision a lot easier. I think the Q2800N Plus is the way to go for me. I can always upgrade later if I need more space. Thanks for the breakdown. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.